Hello my friends, in this video tutorial we will be making this. This video tutorial is a little bit advanced, so I recommend you to watch my previous tutorials if you haven't already. So let's get to it. Alright, as you can see here I have 3 examples here, and let's start from the first one. Here I have media in, this is a picture, go inside the 2 merges, polygon, go everything inside the last merge here. Let's make this. Take the media in, copy here, take the merge, take the media in, connect to the merge, copy this merge like this, connect like this, and use the background, connect like this, opacity all the way to 0, alpha channel all the way to 0, copy, paste, connect to the merge and swap them. Now connect these merges like that and press 2 on the keyboard. Change the auto resolution to Full HD. (1920 1080), and the second one is same, 1920 1080, and now use the polygon tool, connect to the merge here as a mask and start masking what you need. I will choose this B, just rough shape like that. As you can see, when I click on this merge here, I can drag the copy. Alright, on to our next example. This one is similar to the first one, but I added mask paint and use the blur and glow 2 times. And as you can see, when I click here and scroll a little bit on the timeline, you can see the scribble. And it's finishing at the end here. Let's make this one again. Media in, merge, background, connect like this, background, auto resolution 1920 1080. You can copy, paste it here, connect like that, and press 2 on the keyboard for this merge. This background will be opacity all the way to 0, and now you can see the media in. Okay, now you want to add a scribble. Use the mask paint, take the background, or we can just copy this one, this would be better, and connect like this to the merge. Connect the paint, and this background we will choose the color of this flower in the middle, will be yellow, and we will add a blur, we will add glow, and we will change this glow to 0.9 and the glow size to 4, and copy and paste again here, and glow size a little more, 20, and glow size glow 0.8. Okay, now let's make the polyline stroke. just make a rough shape like this. I will not waste time, you're just quick for this tutorial. And when it's finished, just connect like that, and we will have the Scribble with the glow effect, and look very nice. Now if you want to change the glow, you can just adjust the size. Now if you want to animate this, all you have to do is go in these controls, and as you can see here, stroke control. The first frame here, number 0, make a keyframe, and or move this all the way to the 0, and then at the end click here and just move this one and the first one just like this, and then go on 150, and you can here write in the middle for 5 and 0.55, and now you can see the animation is going. As you can see, because I separated with these two merges and go inside one merge here to join, it doesn't affect the picture underneath. Now if I disconnect this mask paint, you will see this affecting the picture underneath. All you have to do is go in this glow and disconnect this alpha. Just remove the alpha channel, and then you will get the clear mask paint. Alright, in the third one I have similar to last example, but I added here the background with merge with fast noise, and this fast noise was scaled all the way to 50, contrast all the way to 5, and brightness all the way to 0, just to make this a fun fire effect. And now in the last example, this is the fourth example, I just copied media in 2 times, added glow, and as you can see in this mask paint, when I go in this stroke, it's affecting only the stroke. It doesn't affect the picture underneath, and all you have to do is go in this size. This is the stroke size, as you can see. You can add a softness. You can play around, you understand. I really hope you understand. Just use the 2 merges to duplicate 2 times, and then use the second merge to add the effects. Alright, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if you have any questions, and I will see you in another video.